Hi guys, hello, hi there, welcome to my Disney vlog day one. Technically we got there on a Monday, but Tuesday was our first official day to the park. I just wanted to get Monday and chill for a little bit and relax, enjoy the hotel. Check out this cute little vibe. I got my shorts from Shein and shirt from Etsy, matching with my boo. Very much safari vibes, as you guys can see.
Baby, you take too long.
I'm ready. Hey guys, so it is Disney day 2 technically. Well, technically day 1. It's the first day in the parks. So this is where we're staying at. It is hot, babe, right?
Yes.
It is extremely hot. I hope you guys like my little ears. So yeah, can't wait. It's gonna be fun. Beware of the alligators
And this area.
and snakes in this area.
Wasn't recorded or not?
I think it. But anyways, you guys, it is hot. But we're here. So I'm excited. I'm happy. The happiest place on earth. We are going to the car. They have buses. I want to take the buses eventually tomorrow. You guys want custom glasses? Make sure you guys check out Knock Around. They look so beautiful. I love them. Sure, if you guys, ooh, spray. Look at that. Beautiful. I love these glasses. Really nice.
Extremely comfy glasses. I suggest them.
Finally here. Now I do have to say, as an American, I'm a little bit traumatized, and personally I feel like the security could be a little bit tighter here. Just because I'm an American, I'm traumatized, and I think there's going to be a shooting everywhere, because let's face it, you go grocery shopping here in America and there could be a shootout, unfortunately. But we finally got here, yay. Okay, you guys, here we are actually in line waiting to get in, where you have to like scan either your wristband or your ticket or your phone to get into the park. And this is where all our troubles, our technological troubles and issues started. Now, I do have to give credit where credit is due. The staff at Disney was super accommodating, and they definitely wanted to help me. Their willingness to help was amazing. They wanted to get down to the root of the issue as much as we did. I can only imagine. This lady was amazing, such a sweetheart, working outside in the heat in the sun all day. Give her props. Am I in?
Okay, do you have another
Yeah, check it out.
your ticket?
Yeah. I have 2 tickets for all 3 groups.
Right, so may I touch? Yeah, of course. Alright, so we're going to, are you, okay, that's Steven, that's him. Okay, so move over. Awesome, enter the place. Yep. This way, stand up your pass. Okay, that's no problem, we'll close, and we'll go this way, this way.
Anything?
Yeah, that's it. You got it, you got it. So next time, go ahead and place it here.
Like, what an amazing woman. Those customer service skills on point, baby, on point. Everyone at Disney's customer service skill is, almost everyone is astonishing. Now, I sped this up ×4 to save you guys the hassle. This was maybe even over 15 minutes long, and I made sure the night before I had set up everything was up to date, and we spent $80 on 2 Magic Plus wristbands, and I made sure everything was set to go. Although I had personally made myself sure that everything was updated, ready, and set to go the night prior in the hotel room to coming into Magic Kingdom.
Magic band into the account. Okay, we'll do that.
Let's do one
If
by
you
one.
purchase Genie today,
I have it.
but did you? Oh, okay, but you didn't make reservations or anything, did you, for today?
Not yet.
Okay.
But again, bless this woman, such a great Disney employee, so patient, so kind, so tender, so good at explaining what was going on and what the issue was. And it was hot as hell. And by this time, I was upset. It had been probably like 15-20 minutes just sitting there, waiting there, standing there. And I just wanted to get in the park and start my day. That was a hassle.
That's fine. It's what it is. Hi. We're having problems with her band, and I want to making sure mine is working.
His was
properly.
working, but mine isn't.
Sure.
My ticket's not working.
Let's go. Headband Plus. My favorite.
No sé. I have no idea why. So we're having issues with my magic band. And we're not sure what's going on. We're basically just spending time here. Put my ears on me. We're just here waiting. So, yeah.
A new world. A whole new world.
I literally just walked into the park and my hair's already looking crazy. Sorry for that crazy face.
We update the bands either. Like it was an update on the bands, and I think it's in the first one now.
Did we get it working?
We got it. You got it. Yay. Okay.
This is new for me. Yeah. The last time I
We
remember
just
I was
and
a
we
kid.
got it on Saturday and we were leaving like Monday, so I was so happy we got it on time. So it took forever to get here.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do here, wait times are super low today, so we get a little bit more access to make magic than we
Awesome.
normally do. So we're gonna put on a flight of passage ride for
All right,
you all to,
awesome.
to
Thank
do,
you.
go over, just jump in that lightning lane and have some fun.
Perfect.
And then you guys also have the Genie Plus's book that I booked you guys earlier.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Perfect.
Shout out to this amazing trio, you guys. It was a real hassle to get our phones connected. I'm not sure why. We had to undo it and redo it a couple of times until it just finally started working. Shout out to them. We were there for what felt like hours. And to be quite honest, it was probably 30 minutes. But 30 minutes there plus 15 minutes in the line. We probably lost like almost an hour. But shout out to this team for being so amazing. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate you. And we ended up getting a free ride, which is an avatar ride. You have to pay $11 to skip the line, and they ended up giving us a credit for it. So that was pretty cool. Reels.
The little patitos. Take a picture of the little patitos. These are not normal little
They're
patitos.
beautiful. I think they're Chinese, Asian.
I don't know.
Checking them up. Hi, I want to feed you so bad, but I'm not. I know we're not allowed to. They're so cute. Qué lindo.
They have a little patito over
I
there.
know, so
A little
cute.
chicky. You see a little chicky with the mom?
Aww. Qué lindo. Mira cómo se baña.
We have to go back.
Ven. Cheese, let's go. This is my ears. As you guys can see them, do I have it on backwards? No. And I actually got them on Amazon for $6.99. And then here we are at Disney. And they are $30. I think these are the ones that most look like mine.
Perfect one.
Hold on, baby. I think these are the ones that most look like mine, and they are. Where's the tag? Because I know I saw the tag.
The tag is right here.
I know, but whatever. I know I had
¿Qué
the
tal
tag
el
on.
mío?
Oh, I love that. You want to buy it? I love that.
$50.
So, yeah, you guys, fun little Disney dupe. $30 or $6.99. Amazon. So I'm gonna put the description in the link below, or the link in the description below. That way you guys have access to a $6.99. Now you guys, my ears, I know they're super fake. They were $6, literally $7 on Amazon. Check this out. If you have a little kid, this is the best option for you. Or if you're gonna wear multiple outfits, like I love Disney, but spending what, $30 or $35 on each headband was going to be a total of how much money for 3 different outfits? It just was not in the budget this time. Eventually, next time I go back to Disney, I do want some original ones because they're thicker, they're heavier, they actually stay on your head a lot better. But this Disney ears, although they were fake, were super cute and I absolutely love them. So great option if you have like 4 or 5 kids, to be honest. they're doing like a dancing. Yeah. Woo, wow. You guys, this here is one of our favorite rides. It was extremely hot. It was August 30th of 2022 and we were sweating. It was 98 degrees outside and we felt like we were melting. Now it was our first time using the lightning lane and I was not aware that you had to reserve your ride and then go on it. And all of our stuff was in the free lockers that you get for 1 hour since we do get wet during this ride. We decided to put all our stuff away and I just forgot to make a reservation for the ride.
Did you guys make a reservation?
Yes. For here, no.
So you have to have a reservation for here in order to.
Shout out to Steven that ran back there and got one of our phones from the locker and he came running back. That way we could schedule the lightning lane and ride the ride. So thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Welcome back, friend.
Got it.
You got that time?
Beautiful.
Yeah, get yours.
Oh, sorry.
You're all good. I get confused too.
It's okay.
Two. First. Ooh, too hot.
I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. We're the happiest place on earth. Steven.
Ah, we don't bring no poncho. No poncho.
Maybe film there. You can see it moving.
Your buckle.
There we go. There you go. Sit down.
There is some rough water ahead, so for a safe journey,
All right, friends, stay seated, stay buckled, have fun. We'll see you back there, okay?
arms, feet,
phone.
and legs inside the raft, and be sure to watch your
I'm gonna put my phone. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my phone in a super secret spot because I have no pocket.
A secret spot.
You got to hold it on the actual camera. Yeah, no, in the camera. Okay, the other camera. Oh my god. It's hot and burning.
La cuestión no se ve la Yeah, do it already. Something burnt here. Oh my gosh. Yep. Oh my gosh. Ready for it? Yeah, they say I might get whipped. guys.
You want me to hold it for them?
Maybe. Yeah, it is too hot, yeah. Yeah, it is too hot right now. That's why I take this ride. As soon as I hear water and getting wet, this is my plan.
Check out how everyone got so happy when we all got soaking wet.
Alright, beach. That short, is this right?
That was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That's it. That's it.
Very refreshing ride.
Yeah,
Extremely
I need it.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened when your hands are the raft. An expedition guide will let you know when your group may exit. Please step carefully onto your raft and onto the platform. Be sure you have all your gear. You'll need it for your next adventure. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente, mis amigos. Permanezcan sentados con los cinturones de seguridad apretados. Sus manos guía le dirá cuándo pueda salir. Por favor, salgan con cuidado de la balsa a la plataforma. Asegúrense de tener todo su equipo. Lo necesitarán para su próxima aventura. Gracias. Welcome back, my friends. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your hands inside the raft. The expedition guide will let you know when your group may exit. Please step carefully out of your raft and onto the platform.
What's too short?
Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente, mis amigos. Permanezcan sentados con los cinturones de seguridad apretados. Y sus manos protegen de la balsa. Su guía le dirá cuándo pueda salir. Por favor, salgan con cuidado de la balsa a la plataforma.
So welcome guys, stay seated, stay buckled. I'll let you know when you can leave. But stay seated, stay buckled.
Steven got soaking wet. Steven, look over here. Look how soaking wet you got. Woo! That was fun. That was fun. Definitely needed it. Look at me. Soaking wet.